Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. This is another unboxing video on my channel. Today I got a shit ton of FTP and other like underground clothing brands. But yeah, let me just open this up. This took a while to get here, but I don't really care. Oh, and they stuffed everything in together. So, green FTP board. Hope you can pick up the whole thing on the camera. Let me put it down. You want to zoom in right here. FTP. It's not a skateboarding brand. This one's a skate. And this next one is going up on the wall forever. It's the same thing but in black. These own designs I really like on the website. Just this exact same thing. Yeah. And then we're not done with this huge box yet because I also had to get myself grip tape for the board. Nice and clean, like the FTP on the side. And one more thing in this package are the wheels. It's just so clean. FTP. I heard that fades really easily because my friend skated this one time and the whole print came off. Got a nice sticker. This probably goes in dark, to be honest. Maybe not. I don't care. I think we have more stickers down here. Oh, I finally got the receipt. It's like the first time ever. And the FTP Blur one. Alright, this one's from LV Grip Tape on Instagram.com. It's an amazing company, very unique. Let's get straight into this. They always do a pre-order first, then they do like the regular drop. But after that, the design's gone forever. And this is probably like the best grip tape that they have thus far. It's a little bit wrinkled because you know the way they shipped it, but it's a Gucci grip tape with the Gucci design, very clean. This is definitely going on the FTP skateboard, just to have it stand out even more. Even more package where that came from. Right here we also have like another one from Instagram. This is for Imran Potatoes. 2 Gucci socks. This is a black one and this is a new pink one that he dropped. This is a restock on the black. Also very clean, so when I'm skating with this board and I show off the socks, amazing. And this right here is from the most recent like FTP drop that they did. I'm gonna open it up and you guys won't know exactly what it is. I had to get 2 of them. One for the personal and then one is stashed forever. It's the Fredo Santana photo tee with the Highest Notoriety magazine. It's pretty crazy. Zach has like an interview in it, and then they have like old pictures. Yeah, this book is crazy. But like I said, I had to pick up 2. I'll probably like unbox this one day or never, but that tee's definitely not gonna get worn. This one's gonna get worn a lot. Also very clean. You want to like put it up on the camera. It's a size large. I got both of them size large. I had to order them to different addresses because it wouldn't let me check out 2. But yeah, man, that's crazy. You want to go on the book too. Alright, this last brand, many of you guys would not know about, but it's another Instagram that Bloody Osiris was co-signing. The Instagram was Insane Cult. I'll put the link in the bio. It's like a little note that they sent. If you guys want to watch that in your own time, we'll zoom in later. I'm not going to go into detail about it. But yeah, I'm definitely going to retire my Supreme like purse that I always wear. I'll start wearing this every day for the personal. It's just a tactical leg bag. Tactical leg bag. Very clean, very sturdy. I like the material on it already. For right now, I'm just gonna put it over my shirt just to show you guys what it looks like.
Tend the cabins and grounds and do little errands for my mother.
A lot of people just wear it over their shirt. This is very safe though. I mean, it just hangs off on the side. Keep your narcotics, your gun. Pull up on anybody. You know what I mean? They will expect it this time though. The loop is also very big. Mine is like an A-Lix big. Like it's probably like struggle to fit to your pants, but you know once you finally put it in, probably just remove these and then put them in. But yeah, very clean. The bag's actually bigger than I expected. Let me see, what can I compare it to? Yeah, definitely. This is a great comparison right here. The book's just a little bit like wider than it, but that's it. It's also gonna be like an everyday wear. Yeah, guys, I saw the cost for this video. Like and subscribe, and I appreciate your time.